How to get dual apps on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Want to use two accounts for the same app on your iPhone, whether it's for work and personal use or managing multiple social media accounts? I'll show you how to get dual apps on iOS 17. So let's get started. Unlike Android, iOS doesn't officially support app cloning, but you can use third party platforms like Dual Space or Parallel Space to create app duplicates. Download an app like Parallel Space from the App Store and follow the setup instruction and select the apps you want to duplicate. It works best for social media apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, or Messenger. Another trick is using the web version of an app for your second account. For example, open Instagram in Safari and log into your second account and add it to your home screen as a shortcut. Tap the share button, then select add to home screen, and now you have got a second instance ready to use. For apps like Instagram or Gmail, take advantage of the built-in account switching feature. You can add multiple accounts and easily switch between them. Just go to your app settings and look for the add account option. It's quick and doesn't require cloning. And that's how you can get dual apps or manage multiple accounts on your iPhone. While iOS doesn't make this as easy as Android, these tricks get the job done. If this video helped you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.